Hey traders, want to go over stock that went up yesterday. Had some nice run. So yesterday was AMC. We see it went from 560 February 19th up to about 660 yesterday, which is about a 17% gain. We see the volume starts coming back in a little bit. So now let's look at one of the options. So looking at the 7 call, this is what it was doing yesterday and the day before. So we could have got it at 10, definitely here because it didn't trade much. Had some volume, and then look, a huge volume here. Next day up to about $67. So buying it at 10, selling at 67 gives you roughly a 570% gain, right? If we do the quick, let's check with the calculator. 67. Oops. 67 over 10. So that's -1. So 570% gain in one day. Keep your eye on it for today's trading. Good luck. And if you have any ideas of your own or you have questions, put it in the comment box. Thanks. Subscribe and like if you like the free videos. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a good day.